Hi everyone, I'm Adir Abergel and I'm a hairstylist and I'm here with Vanessa Curry today. Do you girls ever wonder how you get that beautiful, sexy, full hair? I'm going to show you some tips on how I recreate that just by backcombing. So we started by creating some great texture in Vanessa's hair. I ended up using a thickening spray all around the roots and then drying the hair the first technique, which is just by using my backcombing comb and a little bit of hairspray. So I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of hairspray. And the secret is really pulling the hair very tight and compacting that hair down into the root. So you can see what's happened now. It's completely held up. Now let me show you another technique. You're gonna take the section of hair, you're gonna spray it with the hairspray, and you're gonna take that back comb, and again, same technique. I then take my flat iron and I put heat on it. It gives it that great hold. The third technique is taking a dry shampoo. I really love chlorine dry shampoo. You shake it really well, spray it on the roots. I'm gonna take a small section, I'm gonna pull it up, and then about 3 to 4 inches off the scalp, you push it in 3 times. Sprayed with a little bit of hairspray afterwards. The great technique is just pulling small sections of hair down like this, so you're not affecting the backcombing at the roots, and you're just gonna break it apart by pulling it. Very loosely comb over the top sections to hide all of that backcombing. When I'm doing any of my celebrity girls, I really want their hair to last. I almost always use some kind of backcombing technique. Just gonna spray all the underneath sections. Take your Mason Pearson brush at this point, smooth all the top sections. Pull the hair into a low ponytail, and you can lift and get all the volume. There you have it, everybody. So this is a really great way for you to create a lot of volume in less than 5 minutes.